Hello, I'm Mr. Ryan, and I'm very excited to share with you the Lost Hand Entertainment's first instructional video. Today we're going to do a magic trick. It's a beginning magic trick. It's one of my favorites. It's one I often do when I'm street performing. So I'm going to do it for you, and then we'll talk about how to perform it. So you're going to take a coin. Any coin will work, okay? And you're going to put it in this hand to keep it holding. You keep the audience eye, and then you're going to reach in your pocket, get your magic dust, spread on there, and the coin disappears. It's a fun trick. Now, a lot of people might catch on how to do it. That's always kind of what makes it fun. So it's a good trick to learn. So what we're going to do is you get any coin. Any kind of coin will do. Quarter will work best if you're younger. I'm using a $50 because that's what I use on the street because you can see it a little bit better. It's a little heavier because it takes some practice. The key to doing the disappearing coin trick is that you're never actually going to put it in the left hand. Okay? You're never actually going to put it in there. What you're going to do is pretend to put it in there and keep it in your right hand. So I've kept the coin in my right hand. Okay? And the way you do that is when you're getting ready to close your left hand over the coin, you kind of push it into your hand. So kind of maybe show from the back. So I've got it out here. So when I go in to grab it, I sort of push it back into my hand. So then I take my thumb and I can kind of pull it into my fist. Okay? So I've got the coin and I'm pushing it back there, and then that way I can use my thumb to slide it back in there. So you can see the slide a little bit. Slide it back in there, and then I can kind of grab it with my fist. The key is when you're doing it, when you push it in here to grab it, keep your eye on this hand, the fake hand, the one that doesn't actually have the coin, and then you point to it because that gives you a reason to close your fist. And then all you're doing is you're reaching in for your magic dust, wherever it may be, dropping the coin in your pocket and letting it go. So that's kind of how to do the trick. It'll take some practice. You'll want to practice in front of a mirror because otherwise you can't do this. Like you can't keep where I can keep seeing the coin and then I kind of just grab it with this hand. I got to actually, so it looks like it's going in there. So I'm kind of using this hand to hide it for a second. I like closing over my finger. So like I'm holding the coin in there and pointing. So remember, it's not in here, it's in here, but I'm just keeping my fist and reaching in to get the magic coin. Okay? So that's kind of an easy trick. So let's see it one more time so you can really do it. So you get it in here. Now remember, you pretend to put it in there and you point. Okay, you point to there. And so then you drop it in your pocket. So then you have the coin. Yeah, you can kind of see there at the bottom, okay? You have the coin in there. Now if you have magic pants, you can also do the trick by pulling it out of your pants too. Right, like that. And out it comes. So I hope you enjoyed this video.